Dear Taiji friends, my name is Jing. Taiji Chuan is very good for relaxation. Relax our body, relax our mind. And how to relax while we are practicing Taiji. Today I want to share one of the techniques. One of the method is breathing. For example, from 白鹤亮翅 change to 搂膝二步. How do we apply breathing to help our body and mind to reach a relaxed state? For example, from 白鹤亮翅, we have counting 1, inhale, 2, exhale, 3, inhale, and 4, exhale. Now, please follow me to learn the third movement. Ready? 1. With your right foot, take a half step forward, and as if you're holding a ball in front of the body. 2. Slowly shift the weight to the right. 3. Separating both hands, take left foot forward with the toes on the floor. Let's repeat. Begin. 1, 2. Left hand slightly touch the right forearm. 3. Let's repeat it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, let's learn the fourth movement step by step. First, let's do the arm movements. And follow my right hand, please. Put your left hand down. Begin. 1. Slightly turn your body to the left. 2. Swing your arm to the side at your ear level. 3. Bend your arm toward the ear. 4. Push it forward. Again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now follow my left hand. Put your right hand down. Ready? 1, slightly turn your body to the left. 2, extend your arm. Then gradually bend your elbow. Rest your hand in front of the right chest. 3, hand presses down. 4, bring your hand beside hip. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's synchronize both hands. Ready? 1, slightly turn your body to the left. 2, turn your body to the right. 3, turn your head to the left. 4, push right hand forward. Now, follow me again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the other side. 1, relax your hands. 2, slightly turn your body to the left. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's do it with the step. Ready? 1, 2, bring left foot to the right. 3, left heel is on the floor. 4, slowly shift weight forward. 1, sit back, relax your hands. 2, 3, turn your head to the right. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time from the front view. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now follow me one more time from the back. Relax your body. Relax your shoulders. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slowly turn your head. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 24 Taiji online Zoom class will start in April, and on the 12th of April, I'm going to give a free introductory class. You can see the link below this video, and welcome to join me.